Yeah.
Yeah, good morning, everyone. So we had seen bounce back in the US market along with India market as well after day before yesterday's massive decline both in both these markets. So the recovery is driven by, if we see the dollar index, which has come down and indicating that the decline on that day before yesterday was more of a technical in nature and uh, which got triggered mainly because of the over exposures or over positions in the market. Uh, but if you see the few companies' result in the US are indicating some concerns. Like earlier, the Fed has indicated that they are seeing slowdown, and the stock was down over 10% at that time. Similarly, yesterday also Nike has reported results, but the comment from the management was that they are seeing slower revenue growth in coming period, and the stock was down by around 11% post market. So the impact of the higher interest rates for consistent period is giving some indications that the economy may slow down and the consumer purchasing may decline in the US. So one need to be careful. We had seen rate cut expectations has already played and the market has moved up, and now whatever the slowdown which may be coming in the US because of the earlier higher rate can have some impact on the performance of the company's result, and as such the result may soften. So overall seems like we had seen bounce back, but going forward, now the market is likely to remain in a range for some time before taking a clue from how the economy is progressing. Uh, uh, India, the things are a bit different. Here, the performance continue, uh, and uh, the economic indicators are comparatively positive. Apart from this, we had seen some bounce back or some higher increase in the commodity prices in yesterday's trade and today morning also. The iron ore is up by almost around 3% and steel is up by around 2%. The expectation is that there will be a good demand for iron ore and then steel in the coming year as the China may see some bounce back. Apart from that, dollar index also came off, so that has supported all the commodity prices. Oil also moved up marginally by around $0.5. So for today, what we see that the overall scenario is positive to neutral, but we may see higher opening, but there could be some profit booking at the higher level. Now request technical team to take up from here.
Yeah, thank you, sir. Good morning. Good morning, all of you. Uh,
Nifty today expect positive open, but we saw that Nifty facing a resistance and upper end. So some profit booking in a higher level we can expect today's session. If Nifty sustain 21,350 above range, then we expect this momentum to be continued towards 21,460 and 21,550 in upside. Otherwise, if Nifty fail to sustain this level and close below 21,315 downside, then we see some pressure again towards 21,100 and 20,950. So to next week, we expect a range for Nifty 21,350 and downside 20,950. Below 20,950, then next support place around 20,700. So today we expect some positive open, but in first half if sustain this level, then we expect further rally. Otherwise, we saw some pressure in upper range. Bank Nifty also facing the immediate resistance around 48,550. Close above, then we expect further rally. Otherwise, we also saw that some pressure in our resistance range yesterday also. So next immediate support place around 43, 47, 3, 10 and 46, 520 in Bank Nifty. Nifty Finance also trading near the resistance zone, and first immediate resistance place around 21,540 and then 21,670. First intraday first immediate support place around 21,290. Below that 21,150 and 20,900. Next support for Fin Nifty. So all three index today open a positive, but we watch closely. It sustain this level, then we expect next week in positive side momentum. If fail that level, this support zone, then we expect some profit booking happening in today's session. Stock specific Hind Copper looks positive. We already saw that Hind Copper trading a good moment in yesterday's session. This momentum to be continued today's session also. Next immediate support target for Hind Copper is 228 and 230 in upside. Support place around 212 to 10 at downside. So Hind Copper looks positive at current level. Second, Metropolis IRCTC also looks positive at current level. So this stock are positive side, but negative side we expect some banking stock also there. COB also, Bajaj Finance also seen the negative side. Yesterday we saw that some pressure in all these counter. And mid cap, Chemplast look positive. Yesterday we saw the weekly breakout in Chemplast in 500 above, and we expect this momentum positive towards 560, 570. Downside 490 immediate support for Chemplast. That's it for technical derivative. I can carry.
Yeah, thank you. Good morning. So on the derivatives front, so on the overall data front, as I mentioned yesterday, that once if Nifty manages to take support of 20,000 mark, then again we will see pullback towards the 21,200 to 300 level. And we have seen that from 20,000, 21,000 mark, and Nifty have shown some great strength. While on the index option front, we have seen that almost around 23,000 crore of position got liquidated, in which we have seen that the major call right position got liquidated. That might be due to the weekly expiry also, which took place yesterday. So now on the next week series, we are seeing that at 21,300 mark, call right position is holding strongly, while on the downside, we are seeing that at 21,100 and 21,000 is a put right a support on the downside. So the same support will lie for the Nifty 21,000 will be the initial support on the Nifty front. But once if Nifty in today's session, if Nifty spot manages to go about 21,300 level, then there will be a confirmation for another 150 points on the upper end. But till the time 21,300 level is not getting crossed, till that point of time we should wait for new long positions. So because if we look at the PCROI also, PCR yesterday closed at 1.03 level. So once if Nifty at the point of time go when goes about 21,300 level. At that point of time, if PCR also goes above 1.15 level, then there will be a double confirmation on the derivatives front. So as per this scenario, should create new long positions once the levels get broken out. While on the stock specific and sector specific front, counter that looks positive, where we have seen that fresh long position got initiated in yesterday's session is IRCTC, Hind Copper, and Coromandel, in which we have seen that the fresh long position got initiated, where we will see healthy buying in coming 1 to 2 trading session also. While on the negative front, overall auto counter seems to be on the negative front, where we are seeing that fresh short position got initiated, in which Bajaj Auto, Maruti, and M&M looks short for today's trading session. So that's it from Derivative front. Thank you.
Good morning. WPIL Limited has received an order from Government of West Bengal for an EPC project for water supply scheme worth 425 crores. It is to be completed in 27 months. So this is positive for WPIL. Thank you.
Good morning. Infosys has bagged 5-year deal from a Europe-based auto part distributor LKQ to transform its business processes. Deal size is not known. This is positive to Infosys. Thank you.
Yeah, that's I'll request commodity team to take up from here.
Yes, sir. Thank you very much. Good morning, everyone. Into this session, we are expecting prices in commodity to rise, and we remain bullish. Gold one can buy around 62,600 and maintain a stop loss of 62,400 to 350. On upside, we are eyeing for 63,000, 63,100. Silver also we are expecting to test 60, 67, 76, 500. So buying around 75, 500 is recommended, and maintaining a stop loss of 74, 900 is recommended. Uh, in metal front, we are expecting prices in copper to test 735, 738. So buying at 727 is recommended with a stop loss of 722. Zinc also, we have seen that the correction was done, and we expect pullback from these levels. So buying is recommended with a stop loss of 222. Prices we are expecting again to test 227 to 28. So buying on dips in zinc is also recommended. The crude oil also we had witnessed a correction. Prices tested the support area of 6050 levels, and we are expecting again prices to test 6300, 6350. So buying is recommended. Buy on dips strategy around 6150, 6130, and maintain a stop loss of 6050. And natural gas prices rallied yesterday, and some profit taking may arise. But however, the momentum is positive. So buying around 212 with a stop loss of 202. And again, prices are expected to test 225, 230 on upside. That's it from me. I'll ask Utkarsh to take the call forward.
Thank you, sir. Very good morning, all of you. For today's trading session in USD INR, we are expecting some sideways momentum within a range of 83.16 on the lower side and 83.32 on the higher side. So one can initiate a short positions in the range of 83.26 to 83.31 levels. The stop loss of 83.34 for the target of 83.20 and 83.17 levels. In Euro INR, one can initiate a long positions if we get some profit booking around 91.40 levels with a stop loss of 91.29 for the target of 91.74 levels. In GBP INR, one can initiate a long positions in the range of 105.0 105 to 105.42 levels. The strict stop loss of 105.25 for the target of 105.82 and 105.94 levels. Thank you.